Alright, y'all, we back here. Reinstalling this unit we pumped down yesterday. See, we had to add about a foot of line set. So I'm about to do that. Got the nitrogen here, about to braze this in. So we'll get it going. Alright, we had our second stop for the day. Trying to add this job form here to this call. This is a maintenance. He has two systems, so we add job forms, that way we can keep the record of it. So trying to see how I can add the job form. I still forget how to use all this stuff sometimes. Yeah, this is Jobber. This is the software we use. It keeps the person's information, their name, their address, email. They're on our maintenance agreement plans. So the billing history. This is how you keep up with the schedule. This is the third call I'm on today. Got two more. We already got 2 calls for tomorrow, so we gotta update that. Unscheduled invoices. This is where you get all your invoices, jobs, quotes. So I'll do a little bit of a review of this software. I know a lot of people be asking, what software do you use and stuff like that. So thousands of dollars for that rat trap.
Well, they put like screens that they could be coming in.
Yeah. Oh, I see him. What did you hear? Did you have rats or something?
Yeah.
You seen them or you heard them or what?
Oh, we came home one day from the lake house, and there was a rat running around downstairs.
Really? It was just running freely in your kitchen or what?
Yeah. I have a trap. I don't know if that's up there. That's the last thing I expected, because she seemed to be a pretty normal little girl.
Yeah.
It's drug related. I don't know. These kids today, they all smoke that one that's really powerful. Who knows what effect that has on the brain,
Yeah, everybody smokes marijuana now.
Yeah, I know.
Even you probably.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I grew up in the...
Yeah, sometimes it does rust out here too as well. Yeah.
That's expensive part, $800.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Yeah, it only took him 10 minutes to put it in.
Yeah.
But if you look at it, he had to come out here twice.
Yeah.
Pick up the part. That's all cost him time and money.
Yeah.
He was a really nice guy, so you can tell him that
I think that's what you got me with. You got me with a bad one.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that wasn't real cool.
I know. I'm a sick person.
You're a sick man.
She's in the kitchen.
I know, I saw her.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Well, she's doing fine.
Okay.
We're old people. We're getting in there.
You ain't that old.
No, we don't act it anyway. We never acted my age.
You always acted younger?
Yeah. Ann says, that's my wife, says I'm her 7-year-old.
She said that you're her 7-year-old.
Yeah. Because I act like a child. How's your little, is it a little boy or a little girl?
I got a little girl.
How's she doing?
She's good. She just got her tonsils removed.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so
How old is she?
She's 4. Yeah, she's about. All right, so we let him know that the cap was reading low. It was reading below the 10%. So he said, go ahead, change the new cap out. So we're gonna do that. All right, we're going to the second system. It's in the crawl space. It's already running. Damn. Yeah, they some smokers. You can smell the smoke in the house. Oh, it's a 16 by 25. I got the wrong size. So I took off the wire to the pressure switch, so it won't let the fan. I don't like just shutting the unit off, because then it shuts the fan off without it cooling down the heat exchangers. So we checked the capacitor. The capacitor's good. Got to clean that flame sensor. We changed this inducer out. I want to say like a month ago. It was like an emergency over the weekend call, or over the weekend, or I was out of town or something. I can't remember, but I had a buddy cover it for me. He helped me out with it. So that's a brand new inducer. He didn't want to go for the new furnace. I know I can't be the only one that hates getting to these flame sensors. These damn Rheem, these old Rheem furnaces. So most times we try to date our filters and take pictures, you know, just to be organized and let the homeowner know that we did that. check the gotta make sure this is zeroed out so I can check the gas pressure. Okay, so it is zeroed out. So about 3.7. I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna try to adjust it to 3.5. 3.6. So 3.59 is the final gas pressure. The amp draw of the fan is 3.18, 3.17, so that's okay. I do it with the door on to get the true amp draw, and I have a wireless meter, so I can do it on here. And it is 3.5, 3.17, so we are good. Alright, it's running. We're good to go on this one. Hey y'all, this is actually the inducer that we changed out for him about a month ago. He said he kept it. He's a chill guy, so he jokes around a lot. So he said he kept it so he could show it to me. And he said I could have it. But yeah, this is what happened to the old inducer. Just giving y'all a little peek of what it looked like. Go.
Was it lit?
No, it don't got no pilot.
How is it supposed to work?
It got a auto, like it got a
Oh, the button push?
yeah.
That like on the wall?
No, it's an automatic gas valve. It's not a pilot no more. You don't gotta light anything.
Well, I probably did something wrong on the thermostat.
No, we'll see right now. Let me see.
You linked it in fire too.
No.
I know, please, man.
Let me see. All right. Let's see what it's doing. So there's the igniter. Oh, he ain't got no gas. Damn, gas. Tripping. You said the gas company came out? Another chill service call. I'll take it. But this is for a property management. This is for the property management company too. So you get a lot of tenants with the property management company that don't really know about stuff. I guess because they're, tenants that some of them aren't really updated with the stuff. Go ahead and change that filter, but yeah, she said the gas company came out and they told her that they needed an HVAC technician because they couldn't find the issue. All it was is that gas valve That gas valve wasn't. Man, this camera fell. Stupid. My bad. Had technical difficulties, but yeah, that gas shutoff valve was off. I guess he ain't see it. She said he was like an older feller. Alright guys, that was an easy call. The gas shutoff valve was off. Sometimes it be like that with these property management companies, the tenants. She said that the gas company came out there and they said that they didn't know what's wrong with it. I guess the guy didn't see that.
At the next light,
shutoff
turn
valve was
left.
right there. But man, that was chill, so it ran for about 13 to 15 minutes. Nothing's wrong with it. So right now I got one more call. But I'm trying to be fast because I'm trying to make it to my workout class. So
At the light,
I might
turn
get
left
footage,
onto Maxim
I
Road.
might not. But appreciate y'all watching the videos. Appreciate it. See y'all. Maybe. God bless. God bless.